How to fix sign out Apple ID grid out in iPhone 12. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open settings. In settings, click on your Apple account and then scroll down in last. Now here you can see sign out option is grid out. If you want to fix this problem, then go back and scroll down and click on screen time. Now scroll down and click on change screen time passcode and then click on turn off screen time passcode. Now enter your passcode. After turn off your screen time passcode, then open Apple account again, and then here you can see, now refresh your Apple account, and then here you can see sign out option is no more grid out. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.